Hello everyone! In today's video, my friend captured stunning pictures with his new iPhone. However, when I tried to open these pictures on my Android device, it didn't support them. So, the gallery showed an error stating that the file format isn't supported and all files are corrupted. Today, I'll show you how to open HEIC extension files or picture shot on an iPhone on your Android device. So let's dive in. First, head to the Google Play Store and install the application needed for this process. Don't worry, I provided the link in the description. So, after installation, open the app and grant the necessary permissions. Now, click on Open Files and choose the HEIC image you want to convert from your file manager. Then, select the image and proceed by clicking Select. Next, tap on the Convert option. The app will process the conversion, so be patient during this step. After the process completes successfully, you'll now be able to view the image on your Android device without any issues. And there you have it. Your HEIC image is now compatible with your Android device. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!